2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, UCONNECT hands-free group, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, power seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.